Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last week and how the price of gold can move in the next week. See, as I've told you in my earlier video where that the price can go further low if the price didn't sustain a level of $1637 because there is a weak support, so probability was very high that we can see it can move further low. Okay, as of now what you can see that this is the particular range which has not come since 2 years and it is down that particular low below that particular level, so probability is very high that we can see it can move further low. Okay, because this range has not touched a level of since 2 years, so there is high probability of moving further down for the price of gold. Okay, before we move forward and explain you where the gold can move in the next week, if you have any doubt, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I've given in the description, you can join that too. Okay, now look at this particular chart. Suppose if the price sustain this particular level, which is a lower probability, as we have seen that the Fed has already increased the interest rate, and as we have seen why, because and dollar is also getting a little in the range. Okay, so probability is very high that it can fall further down, because as we have seen that few of the support are already weak support, so chances are high that we can see it can fall further low. Price didn't sustain this particular level, then we can see it can come towards a level of $1618.44, and if the price fall below that particular level, then we can see it can touch a level of $1614.13. Okay, and suppose if the price fall below that particular level, then we can see it can go towards a level of around $1596. Keep this in mind that I have already explained you that if the price didn't sustain this particular level, it can go towards a level of 1618 to a level of around $1614.31. Okay, and these levels, because these levels are already weak resistance, weak support, so chances are very high we can see it can go towards a level of 1608, and once the price fall below this particular level, then only we can see it can fall further down, and a probability of touching 1593 is there. Okay, and from there we can see it can move further low towards a level of $1577. Okay, and once the price fall below that particular level, then we can see it can touch a level of $1566, and from there we can see it can fall further low towards a level of around $1564. Okay, and if the price fall below that particular level also, then we can see it can touch a level of $1554, and from there we can see it can move further low. Again I repeat, suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, what we can see, it can go further low and can touch a level of around $1618.44 to a level of $1614.3. From there we can see it can move further down and can touch a level of around, the next support is coming at around $1596 if the price fall below a level of $1608. Okay, and from there we can see it can go towards further down and can touch a level of around 1575. Before that we can see a support coming at around $1588. Okay, and from there we can see a level of 1575 to further down towards a level of around 1561, and then from there we can see it can fall further low towards a level of $1577. Okay, and once the price fall below that particular level, we can see it can touch a level of 1554, and from there we can see it can fall further low towards a level of $1538, and if that level also didn't sustain, then a probability of moving further down towards a level of 1516 will be there, and if the price didn't sustain this particular level. Okay, so you have to keep this in mind. Once the price fall below a level of 1600, then probability of moving further low is on the high side. Okay, now if the price sustain this particular level and form swing at this level, because market is volatile, you cannot predict that it will go downside, but as per the chart we can see that probability of going further down is there. But okay, because if it form a swing at this particular level, so there is high probability, suppose if this level sustain, that the next resistance we can see is coming at around $1636.03. Okay, and if the price move above that particular level, then we can see it can touch a level of around $1667.15. Okay, and this $1667.15 is a weak resistance, so chances are very high we can see it can touch a level of $1674. Okay, as we have seen that the price at around 1667 is a weak resistance, so chances are very high we can see a level of $1674, and from there we can see it can go towards a level of $1686. Okay, and once the price goes above that level, then we can see it can touch a level of $1702.16, and if that level sustain, then we can see it can go further high and can touch a level of $37.17. Okay, and once the price goes above that particular level, then we can see it can touch a level of $17.44, and from there we can see it can go further high and can touch a level of around $17.66. Again I repeat, if the price goes above a level of $17.44, then there is high chances of it going towards an upside with the next resistance at around $17.64, and from there we can see it can go further high and can touch a level of around $17.83 to a level of around $17.93. Okay, and once the price sustain this level, then we can see it can move further upside. So you have to keep this in mind. Once the price range break, if you look at this particular trend is forming, and once this trend zone up break upside, and a probability of moving further high. But if this trend line move downside, then a probability of moving further down is on the very high side, as we can see that it has break this particular low of 2 years. So probability of moving further down is. Regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.